Okay guys, so the first step is to copy paste the link. I have pasted the link in description section of this video. Click that link and you will be redirected to ET Money page. So I click the link here. I am redirected to ET Money page. So now since we are looking at the new investments, becoming a member is the first step. So let's go to my account, login, sign up. And it will ask for sign in details. I'll try to use my Gmail account to become a member for ET Money. Okay, so I have logged in using my Gmail account, but let me become a member of Genius and start investing. Upgrade to Genius and explore portfolio. So let me click on upgrade to Genius and 297 for 3 months, valid for first year. So I click on this, I upgrade to Genius by clicking on the button, and it will ask me for mandatory details. First is the PAN. So I'll enter the PAN details. Next is the name as per the PAN. So click on that and confirm and continue. Next is a mobile number. So click on that, confirm, enter the 6-digit verification code. Okay, I've confirmed that. Add a bank account. So you can decide which bank account you want the investments to happen. I will enter the details here and confirm that the bank account number is correct. Once you have added the account number, you can add IFSC under the details. Click on confirm and continue. It will verify your bank account by depositing 1 rupee. So here there was some issue. I was able to receive 1 rupee into my bank account, but somehow it did not verify. So I'll have to upload a cancel check, bank statement, or a passbook. What I'm doing is I'm going to upload a bank statement here. So I've uploaded the bank account statement here. I confirm it. So next is the payment setup. You basically have been charged 297 rupees per quarter, and it's just asking you for 747 rupees for 3 quarters so that your services are not impacted. However, do not worry, you can cancel this anytime you want. So click on continue here, and then this is what happens next. You will be redirected to HDFC Bank, log in, confirm easy pay, and that's it. So log in and confirm, and let's get back to here once you have confirmed this. So here I have successfully logged in into my net banking, and there completed the transaction. I received a confirmation that e-mandate registration is successful. The reference ID is this. So I click on proceed, and then let's see what happens next. Okay, so activate investment account. This is a mandatory one-time step to kickstart your Genius membership. Let's activate this. Enter your date of birth, and then it will ask authorization for verifying the KYC and PAN. Basic details. Upload your signature. Then you enter your address details and confirm. And nominee name. Then some declarations. Confirm and continue. And just review your details. It will ask for OTP for Aadhaar e-sign. So you will get an OTP request SMS from ET Money. Enter that. and it will redirect you to Aadhaar e-sign services. So you can download the copy here and then you can sign the document. So you have to enter your Aadhaar details and your document is signed successfully. It will redirect back. And that's it. I think your AT Money Genius account is now completely set up and you can start investing. But before that, I think you will need to go through the personality assessment test. And that's what it's saying. In order to recommend your portfolio, we need you to take investor personality assessment. Let's do that. So why is this needed? This is basically needed to help decide the investment recommendations and the strategies, and that is because your personality has major influence on the investing behavior, and it will be easier for AT Money Genius to make investing decisions accordingly. So your investor personality determines how you react when the market goes down, how much volatility you can tolerate, and how well you apply your financial knowledge. So this is more of an MCQ questionnaire. You just have to select the best answer which is available for you. There are 19 questions, and for each of the question you have to just select the best answer. I'll spare the pain of going through all the 19 questions. You can take the questions. I'll directly skip to the next section. Okay, so my wife took this exam and she got the result as researcher with a score between 59 to 85. Researchers have above average financial mastery, which is well backed by low levels of overconfidence. Their heightened sense of realism may lead them to take less risk and all blah blah blah. And detailed analysis and everything can be done. I'll skip this section and I'll go on to the view recommended portfolios. So you're logged in here and find a genius portfolio that fits you. How much time do you wish to invest? High growth portfolio gives average returns of around 16 to 20%. Keep a 10-year plus period and continue. So CAGR of 16.7%, 1.3 times better than the benchmark index, and during worst fall, this portfolio fell by 51% as against 60% of benchmark, and it takes around 25% less risk. So that's all good. Past returns against benchmark, it's all positive. Past performance and all is given here. Blue line is the portfolio, orange line is the benchmark, and this invests 36% in gold and equity 63%. So that's how your current allocation will be. Invest with, you have three options: Nippon India, ICICI Prudential and Aditya Birla. Genius portfolios are built with index funds, hence their return will be similar irrespective of the fund house. You can go ahead and choose any fund house, so you can choose any of these and it will be the same return. So I'll invest now. I'll pick up retire rich, 10 years and continue. So it will ask you which one you want to invest in. Let's keep Nippon. Anyways, index fund, it will not matter. Minimum 5,000 is the investment. Initial investment amount, you can give anything above 5,000. To start an SIP, invest systematically, you can click on this. And monthly investment amount, again 5,000 to anything higher you can select. I am selecting it only as a one-time investment, lump sum value. So let's continue, and it will invest your 5,000 in this amount under gold saving, index fund, BS and other things. So confirm on this and approve your nominees for investment in your. So you have to approve the nominees. It will go to the nominee page and you can confirm the same thing, and then again it will ask for OTP. Click on OTP. Your nominee is approved. Now you can continue with the investment. You can decide how you want to do it. So I'll prefer the UPI payment method. It's much more convenient for me. So I've made the payment via UPI app and it will redirect back and your payment should be automatically updated here. That's it. So your payment has been done and you're sorted. And after 1 month it will automatically suggest you what rebalancing has to be done in your portfolio, since the order has been placed with the AMC and the portfolio will be updated and units will be allocated during the working day. And if you want to start SIP, you can do that. So that's it, guys. This is the process of how you can invest in your ET Money Genius, how you can get started. If you found it useful, please remember to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, this is Nishan signing off. Bye, take care, tada.